Everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today I'm going to review the Korky Beehive Max Toilet Plunger. Folks, so today we're going to look at the Beehive Max Toilet Plunger. And what's special about this one? You know, it fits a lot of different brands, including Kohler, American Standards, and Total, and a lot of other ones. No backsplash, powerful clog remover. So this one works with round toilets and elongated ones, and you can just flow the other ones away, and which is true. So I actually recently purchased this one about a week ago, and it did use it. So I used it a number of times already. I'm really impressed with it, and that's why I'm doing this video on it. I'm not paid. I purchased this one from Home Depot, by the way, and I'll post a link for the Amazon link if you're interested. And this toilet plunger is really easy to use, so you need to push down for about 3 times before it unclogs. It's not one time, and you don't have to push down very hard. So you must seal the hole and push the air pressure to unclog the toilet. I have to say, this is the best toilet plunger I ever have, and that's true. I used it a number of times already this last week. All you need to do is push down about 3 times in a row without letting the suction out. And if you do it correctly for 3 times, it pushes the water down just like that. Pushes the water down the drain with that pressure, then you unclogged it. And simple as that. And I tried it with different ones, even this other one next to me. And that one, you know, I could do it for over 30 minutes, it won't unclog. Just getting this one, it will unclog. So definitely look into this product if you have a toilet clogging problem. If you don't have a toilet clogging problem, then definitely you don't need this thing. But definitely it's the best one I've seen so far. You guys probably seen the one that's red or orange, and you've seen the other one also made by Korky as well. Not as good. This is the best one. So the Beehive Max is the best one. So this is the other one I have. You see it's half the size or something. It's not holding a lot of pressure. So there's no pressure on that. It's garbage, right? So this one has more pressure and has a bigger surface area. So in order to push the air and the thing down the drain, and that's how you unclog it. So that's the biggest thing that you will notice difference on this one. The handle, the T thing, whatever you call it, it's not that important in my opinion, but it does make it easier to hold. Okay folks, I really appreciate a thumbs up so other people could see this video. If you have a comment to share, please leave it below. And see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.